Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm here right now at home. Got the board ready to go. I'm ready to go. And yeah, this is my first time surfing in the snow. So I'm pretty excited. Woo! Alright, so it's the day after the storm. I went surfing yesterday while it was storming. We got a couple inches over the night. So now we're going to the park that I always go to with the kids. It has a nice little slope, so we're going to go try and surf the slope with some boogie boards and surfboards.
So we gonna have fun.
Exactly, we're just going to have fun.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra extraordinary.
What's up, guys? Good morning. We are headed to the park right now, back to the same park that we just had a lot of fun at in the snow. Another beautiful morning. It's about 33 degrees. I'm wearing shorts. I wear shorts all summer, and then like I transition to pants when it gets cold out. But I just don't like wearing pants, so I'd rather have my legs be a little cold. I can still, you know, be warm up top. It's actually kind of nice to have the refreshing breeze. So unfortunately Tahoe's been pretty flat. Actually, since October. We had surf all summer, and then fall was flat. Had a couple storms so far this winter, but nothing enough to produce sizable waves. So yeah, guys, beautiful day here at the park. Stoked. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you next week.